Hello, good morning, students. Am I audible? आवाज येतोय का माझा? हॅलो, स्टुडंट्स.
येस सर, येतोय आवाज.
स्क्रीन शेअर केली, स्क्रीन दिसतंय का?
येस सर.
Yes, yes. Okay. Just wait. आपण सुरू करू. So we are studying non-metallic material, that is polymers. So these are the different polymer structures. Polymerचं अशा प्रकारे जेव्हा आपण मायक्रोस्कोप मध्ये वगैरे बघणार, so we can see such long chain, that may be horizontal long chain or may be vertical long chains. Okay, so polymer आपण शिकलो. Polymer high molecular mass compound ranging from 5,000 to 1 million, and they are found by the combination of large number of one or more low molecular weight compound. अशा प्रकारचे काय आहे, these are the mirrors, small mirrors हे बघा. हे mirrors means part, one mirrors is interconnected together to form polymers. बरोबर, poly means many and mirrors is a small unit. Sorry. So this is one kind of simple polymer. For example, polythene is obtained from its monomer ethylene. बरोबर, पॉलिथिन काय आहे, इथिलीन मोनोमर आहे. तर इथिलीन मोनोमर जेव्हा इंटरकनेक्टेड टुगेदर होतं by number of monomers, then it forms the polyethylene, and the process is called as a polymerization. त्या प्रोसेसला काय म्हणतो आपण, it is called as a polymerization process. The repeat unit is derived from the monomer. त्या सिंगल युनिटला काय म्हणतो आपण, that single unit is monomer or called as a ethylene in that polyethylene. बरोबर, already we have just seen that, but again I am not repeating the part. And we are studying now classification of polymers. बरोबर, based on origin, source, natural polymer, semi synthetic polymer, synthetic polymer. आपण बघितलं होतं का, नॅचरल ट्रीज, रबर ट्रीज आहे, तर रबर ट्री पासून त्या म्हणजे काय म्हणतात, ते जंगलांमध्ये काय करतात, रबर तयार करताना काय होतं, रबर ट्रीज जे आहे त्या ट्रीजचं काय करतात, खोड जास्त खोड बाहेरून, बरोबर, झाडाचा जो भाग खोड तो तिथं लीक करून त्या ठिकाणी त्याचे फ्लुइड बाहेर येतात. दॅट लिक्विड इज कलेक्टेड टुगेदर, and from that fluid, from that liquid, from that rubber tree, we can produce the natural rubber. So that they are all natural polymers. या नॅचरल पॉलिमरलाच काही केमिकल कंपाऊंड टाकून आपण काही नवीन प्रकारचं पॉलिमर तयार केलं. दे आर कॉल्ड सेमी सिंथेटिक polymers, and whereas synthetic polymers, they are all laboratory made polymers. There is no natural polymers. They are all synthetic polymers. Then based on structure, linear polymer, branch chain polymer and cross link polymer. बरोबर, आपण बघितलं होतं thermosetting polymer, they are all cross link polymers आहे. बरोबर, they cannot be recycled again and again. Whereas thermoplastic monomers, thermoplastic plastics, they are all linear or branch chain polymers. Okay, now these are the three important parts which we have studied. तुमच्या सिलेबस प्रमाणे हे पॉलिमरचे तीन टाइप्स आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे, थर्मोप्लास्टिक प्लास्टिक, थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक्स अँड इलास्टोमर्स और रबर्स. बरोबर, तिथं जरी चार दाखवले आहेत फायबर, बट ॲज पर युअर सिलेबस यू हॅव टू स्टडी thermoplastic plastics, thermosetting plastics, elastomers and rubbers in detail. Is it clear, students? बरोबर, आपण तेच बघतो आता पुढे. So, and based on polymerization, so there are two types of polymerization: addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. बरोबर, पॉलिमर तयार होण्याच्या प्रोसेसला आपण पॉलिमरायझेशन म्हणतो. सो देयर मे बी ॲडिशन पॉलिमरायझेशन और मे बी कंडेन्सेशन पॉलिमरायझेशन. मग इथे दाखवलं बघा, नॅचरली ऑकरिंग पॉलिमर आहे, इथिलीन मोनोमर दाखवलं समजा CH3. So natural rubber consists of the repeat units of isoprene to methyl molecule CH3. बरोबर, so that is a natural polymer from rubber trees. Example. So the semi-synthetic polymer, synthetic polymer, these are the homopolymer. Already homopolymer पण आपण शिकलो आहे. होमोपॉलिमर मध्ये काय आहे, इट कंटेन्स द सेम टाइप ऑफ मोनोमर. ह्या होमोपॉलिमर वरच्या मध्ये बघा, ऑल द मोनोमर्स ऑफ रेड कलर, दॅट मीन्स all the monomers are of same color. Whereas copolymers, it consists of number of types of monomers. Means we can see there are two color monomers, so that is copolymer. So homopolymer, copolymer. Then addition polymers are there, condensation polymerization is there. आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल बघायचे प्लास्टिकचे आणि थर्मोस्टॅटिक प्लास्टिकचे. So thermoplastic plastics, these are the polymers in which intermolecular forces of attraction are midway between those of elastomers and fibers. इलास्टोमर्सच्या आणि फायबरच्या मोलेक्युल्स मध्ये जे हे असतं इंटरमोलेक्युलर अट्रॅक्शन त्यापेक्षा मीडियम साईज अट्रॅक्शन असतं या थर्मोप्लास्टिक मोलेक्युल्स मध्ये. So due to that this can be easily molded by heating the thermoplastic monomers. There exists no cross linking between chains. बरोबर, due to that there exists no cross-linking between chains. Examples of these polymers are polyethylene, polystyrene, etc. They are thermoplastic plastics. Whereas thermostatic polymers, they are prepared from low molecular semi-fluid substances. When were heated in mold, they get highly cross-linked, sorry, highly cross-linked cross-linking between chains. Examples of these polymers are polyethylene, polystyrene. So they are thermoplastic plastics, whereas thermostatic plastics, the examples are बेकेलाइट. सांगितलं मी कढई तवा वगैरे जे आपल्या घरी जे भांडे वापरतो आपण बरोबर युटेन्सिल्स वापरतो आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे तर त्याचे जे बरोबर त्याचं हँडल जे आहे हँडल त्या हँडलला वरतून जे नॉब लावलेलं असतो नॉब बरोबर प्लास्टिक नॉब आहे दॅट प्लास्टिक इज नॉट वन ऑफ द रिसायकलेबल प्लास्टिक दॅट इज not recyclable. That is, we cannot recycle that plastic because it is from the category of thermosetting polymers. They can be set only once. So it is example of bakelite. Thermosetting polymers example काय आहे bakelite example आहे बरोबर. आपण अजून काही पार्ट डिटेल मध्ये शिकू आपण जस्ट वेट. हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, मी स्क्रीन शेअर करतो. स्क्रीन शेअर झालं सांगा मला, रिप्लाय द्या. स्क्रीन शेअर होते की सांगा बरं मला. गिव्ह मी रिप्लाय. Screen share झाले स्टुडंट्स? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are studying these plastic materials or called as a polymers. आपण बघितलं पहिल्या लेक्चरला, all plastics are polymers, but not all polymers are plastics. बरोबर? These are the different plastics we are using in our day-to-day life, not only at household, बरोबर? घरापासून at various automobile structure, at various electrical structure, at various, but due to its low cost and more flexibility, we can use the plastics at various places. We can see in that pictures, right, from some electronic part, some automobile, some household parts, some automobile parts again, some chairs, offices chairs, watches. So there are different applications of plastics material. Now there are different advantages of plastics also. So at our homes again we are using these plastics at many times. पॅकेजिंगसाठी आपण प्लास्टिक वापरतो. एंटरटेनमेंटसाठी सुद्धा प्लास्टिक असतं बऱ्या ठिकाणी. द मटेरियल इज मॅनमेड अँड इज बाय प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ द ऑइल इंडस्ट्री. देर आर बेसिकली three types of plastic as per your syllabus, but they are telling only two. Okay, thermoplastic plastic and thermosetting plastics. Okay, thermoplastic material आपण बघायचे आता one by one. So these are described as plastic that can be reformed using heat. This plastic has a memory. It returns to its original flat shape and when reheated. We can recycle these plastics again and again. So they are thermoplastic materials. They are having memory. They can return to its original shape and okay as per size. Here are some examples of their uses. Acrylic plastics available in almost any color in sheet, rod or tube form, can be shaped using a line bender or vacuum former. पुढे प्लास्टिकच्या प्रोसेस काय एमटीआर मध्ये शिकायचं तुम्हाला पुढच्या सेमला. तर त्या प्रोसेस आपण वेगवेगळ्या शेप मध्ये आपण एक्रेलिक मटेरियल देऊ शकतो. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ थर्मोप्लास्टिक मटेरियल. These are the different thermoplastic materials. Polypropylene also one of the thermoplastic plastic. Then ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Aquanitrile butadiene styrene also one of the thermoplastic plastic. It is very commonly used plastic that can be injection molded from a powder form. That is ABS. Then styrene plastic. Styrene is also one of the thermoplastic plastics. Very good for vacuum forming. कंपनी मध्ये डिफरंट कंपनीज लाईक सॅमसोनाइट और व्हीआयपी इंडस्ट्रीज. तर सुटकेसेस के बॅग्स बनवतात. बॅग्स कंपनी, दिस सुटकेस कंपनी, सो दे आर युजिंग दिस व्हॅक्यूम फॉर्मिंग प्रोसेस. व्हॅक्यूम फॉर्म त्या सुटकेसचा एक वन अप्पर हाफ अँड लोअर हाफ दे आर व्हॅक्यूम फॉर्म बाय प्रोसेस अँड बाय joining together they can form the various suitcase or bag by from this. So these are thermoplastic materials. So we have plastic, acrylic, ABS, that is aquanitrile butadiene styrene. Then styrene plastics which are used in various plastic bags by the process of vacuum forming. Then we'll go to the thermosetting materials. Thermosetting materials like these are described as plastic that do not reform using heat. They set and cannot be reshaped. बरोबर सांगितलं मी. The word setting itself suggests, the word thermosetting itself suggests that they cannot be recycled again and again. They can be set only once and cannot be given reshaped. They are thermosetting materials. Now the examples of thermosetting: urea, formaldehyde for electrical plugs and sockets. त्याचं जे प्लास्टिक असतं दॅट इज कॅनॉट बी रिसायकल्ड अगेन अँड अगेन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द युरिया फॉर्मॅल्डिहाइड. तर आपण घरी वापरतो सॉकेटसाठी वगैरे जे स्विचेस आहेत, दे आर ऑल युरिया फॉर्मॅल्डिहाइड. इलेक्ट्रिकल प्लग्स अँड सॉकेट्स दे आर मेड बाय दिस थर्मोसेटिंग मटेरियल्स. देन मेलामाइन, किचन वर्कशॉप्स, अनब्रेकेबल ड्रिंक मग्स. बरोबर आपण ग्लासचे किंवा मगचे जे ग्लासचे नाही बरोबर मग्स वगैरे बघतो हॉटेलमध्ये वगैरे आजकाल डेकोरेटिव्ह मग्स. They are all made by this thermosetting plastics. Then polyester resins. Polyester resins like polyester into poured into molds to make product or for boat repair. बोट रिपेअरिंग करण्यासाठी सुद्धा पॉलिस्टर रेझिन वापरलं जातं बऱ्याच ठिकाणी. So these are the various examples of plastics, both thermoplastic plastics and thermosetting plastics. बरोबर. So in previous offline question paper, that type of question is asked always. Differentiate between thermoplastic plastics and thermosetting plastics for 4 marks. So plastics are synthetic resinous substances that can be molded with the help of heat or pressure. There are two main classes of plastic: thermosetting plastics and thermoplastic plastics. Thermosetting बघितलं आपण, plastic that can be only heated and be molded once only. We cannot recycle it. So if reheated, they cannot soften. No? Only on first heating they will become soft and they will set so hard so that we cannot recycle them. So that is thermosetting plastic. Whereas thermoplastic plastics that are molded by heating and can be remolded again and again. So that is thermoplastic plastics. Thermoplastics soften when heated and can be reshaped and not. The plastics will harden as it cools down. Okay. So these are the examples of thermoplastic plastics like acrylic. That acrylic is also called as polymethyl methacrylate (PMAA) or PMMA. In previous question paper, also asked what is PMMA. That PMMA is polymethyl methacrylate. No, that is acrylic or perspex. So whereas thermoplastic properties include steel hard, shiny, brittle in small section, durable, scratches easily available in different colors, good electrical insulator. No, they can use for signs, key rings, lighting, storage containers. So these are the example outcomes. Then high impact polystyrene, that is HIPS. The high impact polystyrene is one of the thermoplastic plastics. Then used for vacuum forming, making for outcasting and packaging for products. Whereas acetate, hard, shiny and transparent, used in badge making, packaging and for overhead projector as well as transparencies. Then expanded polystyrene. Expanded polystyrene is also known as styrofoam. They are all thermoplastic plastics, white, lightweight and clumpy, used for protective or insulating packaging. Then these are again examples of thermoplastic plastics: polypropylene, LDP, low density polypropylene, high density polyethylene, corrugated plastics, low tech masking film, polyvinyl chloride, PVC. They are all thermoplastic plastics. It's just another plastic bag. Then, are there any problems issue in carrier bags? Okay, that part we'll see in the next lecture. So, students, today you understand this various types of plastics. बरोबर, thermoplastic plastics काय आहे, so thermosetting plastics काय आहे, ते बघितलं आपण part. Now in the next lecture we'll study the thermosetting materials in detail. बरोबर, तुम्हाला PPT मी थोडं share करतो group वर मी thermosetting